Alright, just in. Full statement from Commander of Iraqi Armed Forces about Baghdad attack. Recall that recently, earlier this week, Baghdad was attacked, its headquarters was attacked, US forces suspected. US airstrike reportedly targeted al-Shabi headquarters in Baghdad, resulting in multiple casualties. Two al-Shabi commanders confirmed death, several injured in the explosion. Al-Mayadeen reports the attack as a clear act of aggression, with the bombing audible across eastern Baghdad. Now, and this is the full statement from the Iraqi Armed Forces commander. In a blatant attack and blatant violation of the sovereignty and security of Iraq, a drone carried out an act no different from terrorist act, targeting one of the security headquarters in the capital, Baghdad, today, Thursday, which led to the casualties in this completely rejected incident. The Iraqi Armed Forces hold the international coalition forces responsible for this unprovoked attack on an Iraqi security body operating in accordance with the powers granted to it by the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, which undermines all understanding between the Iraqi Armed Forces and the international coalition forces. We consider this targeting a dangerous escalation and assault on Iraq, far from the spirit and letter of the mandate and the work for which the international coalition was created in Iraq. Mercy and forgiveness for the martyrs of Iraq, and speedy recovery for the wounded. Source: Hezbollah tag. Please let us continue to pray for peace. Don't forget to subscribe.